accidentally French kissed my mother once.
Oh, what are you talking about, mate?
Going live right now.
Get that bag of peas off your head, mate. Please don't go there.
This is so cool,
Jordie and Jazza, only on DIVA. Jordie and Jazza, with you for your drive home.
How's it going, Adelaide?
My name's Jordie.
And I'm Jazza.
And look, Jazza, I think our listeners have had a long day at the 9 to 5. I think it's safe to say they want to cut to the chase, if you know what I mean.
I think I know what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think I know exactly what you're saying. I think it's time to play the game. Now, on yesterday's show, we set a little game into motion.
And it's called... Oh, where's the bloody button?
What's that sound?
Guess the sound. What's that sound? Can it also be found?
What's that sound gonna be then?
Oh, it never gets old. Now, what's that sound? It's a very simple game. I'm sure if you watch the show frequently, you're very familiar with it. We play a sound. You have to guess what that sound is.
That's right. Hey, Jordie.
What?
Jordie.
What?
Guess what?
What?
Someone's already on the line.
Hey! Right, Jessica, you're on Jordie and Jazza.
Oh my gosh, hi guys!
Jessica, here is your Diva 87.4 mystery sound. Listen closely.
Right, Jessica, what's that sound?
Oh, I actually don't know, eh? That's a tough one.
No rush, Jess. We've got all day. It's not like we're on a radio show with a schedule or anything.
So what do you reckon, Jess?
Is it like the sound when you click down on one of those coffee pod machines, like the Nespresso machines? You know, when you close the handle thingy to lock the pod in there?
For $5,000. That is not correct.
Oh, you couldn't guess the sound, love.
Ah, sorry, Jess. But the good news is you can try guessing as many times as you like.
And remember, everybody, if you think you know what that mystery sound is, give us a buzz here at Diva 87.4 on 1300 Diva. That's 1300 3482.
You're listening to Jordie and Jazza here on Diva.
And mics are off.
What the fuck was that?
What's wrong with your eyes?
Nothing. What was that?
What, the sound?
Yeah, the sound.
Why, is there something wrong with your headphones?
Hey guys.
Yeah.
What was that?
The sound?
Yeah.
Oh, Kate. Guessing is all part of the game.
No, I'm serious. We can't play that to our audience. Did you load something else onto the soundboard?
What?
Did you load something else onto the soundboard?
What's the soundboard?
What do you... That's the soundboard, the thing in front of you.
What's that?
The thing. You use it every day.
Back on air in 3,
Fix the sound.
2,
Okay.
1.
Jordie and Jazza, with you for your drive home.
Oh, well. Listen to me. I got something to announce. It's time for our next caller, isn't it?
We've got Dan on the line. How are you, Dan?
Yeah, thanks guys. Not too bad.
Dan, did we ask?
What do you...
Dan, we're going to play the Diva mystery sound for you one more time. Here we go.
Motherfucker!
All right, I'm calling tech.
This is not a headphone problem.
No one's guessed it yet, have they? Dan, can I ask, how do you plan on spending the $5,000, mate?
It's been a bit rough recently, actually. Not ideal. My daughter Ava, she's just turned 20 actually on Wednesday. She's been in hospital recently, and it's not looking great. We don't really know what it is. The doctors don't really know, but they're trying their best. And my wife isn't with us anymore, and I just got laid off, so I can't really afford Ava's treatment. It's been really hard, guys, but this $5,000 would really change things for us.
Wow, Dan, I didn't realize I asked you for your life story. Just guess the sound. Guess the sound. Just guess.
Is it like when you have one of those new rolls of sticky tape?
What the fuck?
And you have to peel off that little thing with the arrows on it. Like you have to really dig your fingernails into it.
What do you reckon, Jazza?
Yeah, look, Dan, is that your final guess?
You have a chance to guess again if you like.
Yeah, let's lock it in.
Dan, kiss your daughter goodbye because that is incorrect! I do like your thinking though, Dan. You are on the right track. I will say that.
No, he's not.
Do I at least get a chance to play again?
Yeah, sorry, Dan. What was that?
Do I at least get a chance to play?
Dan, buddy, you're breaking up, mate.
Do I at least get a
Dan,
chance?
can't hear you, mate.
Do I at least?
We'll be back with more soon. Keep listening to Diva.
I feel so happy I found
Okay, April Fool's was ages ago. What the hell is this?
One, yes it was. And two, this is a radio booth. We come in here every day.
I mean a sound. What is it?
Guessing is all part of the game.
I am not playing the game.
Yeah, 30 seconds, guys.
I'm the producer. I am supposed to know what the sounds being played to our audience are.
Well, when you figure it out, you can give us a call on 1300 Diva.
I am not playing the game.
Yeah, it's good, mate. Yep, good.
And why the hell do the callers keep guessing things that sound nothing like the sound?
Fruit?
Did you just say fruit?
Yeah, look good, mate. Back on the set. Yep.
Are you saying the sound is fruit? Or are you just saying the word fruit?
Fruit?
What is that supposed to be?
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Have I tried turning what off and on again?
Just have you tried?
With what?
Fruit?
Stop saying the word fruit!
Back on air in 5, 4, 3.
Last chance, boys. Use it wisely. 2, 1.
Go!
Jordie and Jazza with you for your drive home.
Time for a new caller! Tim, you're on the line.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, how are ya?
Yeah, not too bad, mate. How are you going?
Well, I was
Tim,
just.
Tim. Yeah. We got to pace this up, mate.
Here's your Diva $5,000 mystery sound. One more time. Oh, sorry, wrong sound. All right, Tim, without further ado. What's that sound?
Okay. Oh, is it a bag of chips being opened?
Tell me what the goddamn sound is now!
Just told you what the sound is.
Shut up! That is not what chips sound like! See these? See these stars? It's because of all the shit you two have put me through! How hard can it
When do I get my money?
Both of you have until the count of 3 to start making some goddamn sense. 1, 2.
Hey, I'm from tech. Was somebody having headphone issues?
$2,651 shows we've done together. I'm getting tired, Jordie.
I know.
I just need to know.
playing. I'm not playing the game. I'm not playing the game. I'm not playing the game.